Hello guys. Today I will show you how to set up environment variables for Ionic app development. We need to set up three things. First, Java JDK 8, then we need to download either Android Studio or Android SDK, and last we need Gradle. Open a terminal and run this command apt search open JDK. This command will list all the available JDK for installation. The one we need is open JDK 8. To install Java version 8 you need to run this command, sudo apt install open JDK 8 JDK. After installation we need to add the Java to our path so we can run it from anywhere in the terminal. First open your file manager. We need to add these two lines to our path. You can copy these lines from description below. First enable hidden files on your file manager and then find this file .bashrc. Scroll down to the end of file and paste the two lines there. Save, and to enable changes open a new terminal session. Type this command Java version to see if the Java JDK is installed. For the Android SDK you need to download Android Studio, or if you don't want to have it installed, you can only download Android SDK tools. By default when installing Android Studio its SDK is on home Android SDK. We need to add Android to our path, so again we need to copy these lines and paste to .bashrc file. This is all we need to add to this file. Now save and quit. The last thing we need to do is to install Gradle. First open a terminal and run this command sudo apt install Gradle. Press Y and let it install. That's all. Now you can build Ionic apps from your terminal. Hope you liked it and this helped you. Consider leaving a like or subscribe for more Ionic tutorials.